Hey you! Yes you! Want a new career? Start with MedCerts Online. Become a medical scribe professional. We can help you in 14 weeks with a dedication of 15 to 20 hours a week. We believe you can do this and rise above the competition, getting closer to your goals. So, what can you expect? Our courses utilize the MedCerts 12 elements of e-learning by leveraging 3D animation and illustrations. We make learning fun and engaging. We'll prepare you for your future career.
Many scribes are cross-trained and are able to not only work with the physician to record the visit, but also may need to understand how to schedule an appointment or register a patient.
Prepare for the next phase by reviewing the course material.